Today, we're reading Mr. Brown Can Moo. Can You? By Dr. Seuss. Moo! Oh, the wonderful things Mr. Brown can do. He can go like a cow. He can go moo, moo. Mr. Brown can do it. How about you? He can go like a bee. Mr. Brown can buzz. How about you? Can you go buzz, buzz? He can go like a cork. Pop, 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 pop. He can go like horse feet. Clop, clop, clop. He can go like a squeaky shoe. He can go like a rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. He can go like an owl. Woo, 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 woo. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Woo, 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 woo. How about you? He can go like the rain. Dibble, 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 dop. Dibble, 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 dibble. Dop, dop, dop. He can go like a train. Choo, 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 choo. Oh, the wonderful things Mr. Brown can do. Moo, moo. Buzz, buzz. Pop, pop, pop. Hoo, hoo. Clop, clop, clop. Dibble, dibble. Dop, dop. Cockle-doodle-doo. Mr. Brown can do it. How about you? Mr. Brown can whisper, whisper. Very soft, very high, like the soft, soft whisper of a butterfly. Maybe you can too. I think you ought to try. He can go like a horn. Blurp, 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 blurp. Like a big cat drinking. Slurp, slurp, slurp. He can go like a clock. He can tick, he can tock. He can go like a hand on a door. Knock, knock. Tick tock, tick tock. Knock, knock, knock. Oh, the wonderful things Mr. Brown can do. Blurp, blurp, slurp, slurp. Cockle-doodle-doo. Knock, 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 and whoo, whoo, whoo. He can even sizzle. He can do that too, like an egg in a frying pan. How about you? Mr. Brown is smart as they come. He can do a hippopotamus chewing gum. Grum, 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 grum. Mr. Brown is so smart, he can even do this. He can even make a noise like a goldfish kiss. Beep. Boom, boom, boom. Mr. Brown is a wonder. Boom, boom, boom. Mr. Brown makes thunder. He makes lightning. Splat, splat, splat. And it's very, very hard to make a noise like that. Oh, the wonderful things Mr. Brown can do. Moo, moo. Buzz, buzz. Pop, pop, pop. Hoo, hoo. Clop, clop, clop. Dibble, dibble. Dop, dop. Cockle-doodle-doo. Grum, grum. Grum, grum. Choo, choo, choo. Boom, boom. Splat, splat. Tick, tick, tock. Sizzle, sizzle. Blurp, blurp. Knock, knock, knock. A slurp and a whisper. And a fish kiss too. Mr. Brown can do it. How about you? The end. Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by. I really hope you enjoyed that story. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these awesome stories. Keep on reading, and I'll see you guys next time.